I'm Andy Kleinman, CEO of Wonder.
I'm Casey Wallace, Vice President Operations at Wonder.
Wonder is a new mobile technology company focused on creating new experiences around entertainment and gaming.
We found a really great new building in Los Angeles, and it needed a lot of work when we found it. We took it essentially from the studs to what it is today.
When we started thinking about our new office, we started thinking, okay, what are the things we can do that actually make our office better?
There was no better option, in my opinion, than going with something like Openpath, because you always have your phone, which means you always have your key, which means you always have the ability to get in and out of the building and ultimately secure it safely at the end of the day.
Keeping high security in our office is really important because we have a lot of people come in and out. Being able to track who comes in and out, that was really important, making sure that if somebody comes in at an odd hour, that we know who they are and what they're doing. We wanted to have a system that gave people security and flexibility. We moved to this new office and we were talking about our office all the time in meetings and showing people pictures, and people ask us some of the cool stuff that we've done technology-wise, and I love pulling up my phone and showing the app and showing I can unlock the door and let somebody in, and how cool the app is and how seamless it is.
So I think we future-proofed our operations by choosing Openpath, because no matter where we have our locations in the world, we can use the online dashboard to control any of the access points, no matter where they are.
As a business owner that's always looking for flexibility, security, and the coolest new gadgets, I really recommend Openpath. I think it's a great solution that made a big difference for us, and we have a great experience using it.